we implemented a plate hammer upgrade plan for this production line, adopting innovative ceramic stud embedding technology. The alloy rods inside the plate hammers are produced in-house, ensuring the quality, durability, and service life of the alloy rods. There are no more than 3 such production lines in the entire country. Workshop for manufacturing wear-resistant alloy rods embedded in plate hammers. The alloy rods are formed by compressing powders containing various wear-resistant elements, followed by high-temperature sintering to produce wear-resistant alloy rods. These are the semi-finished alloy rods after forming, typically made of high wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant materials such as tungsten carbide and titanium carbide. They are then sintered at over 10 degrees Celsius for 72 hours to produce the final product. These are the finished products after high-temperature sintering, which can be embedded into the interior of the plate hammers during casting to enhance the product's wear resistance.